everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including daily, weekly and weekend food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, Superdrug hauls, B&M hauls. I also do unboxings of makeup items and jewellery, trainers, and I do subscription boxes like beauty subscription and food subscription. Today's box is an unboxing of the mystery box number 6 from Sourcebox. I bought this at the end of last week and it had £3 off. I think I paid £8.95 including postage, which is literally around half the price of as a normal box. I never normally buy the mystery boxes. I've tried to pick them up in the past but they've always run out of stock. So as soon as I saw the offer I bought it because you can't go wrong with £8.95. So I'm about to open it. It's definitely going to be a surprise whatever's inside. Hopefully it's not stuff that I've had before, or if it is, it's stuff that I've not hated. Normally you get a menu card inside the box, but because it's a mystery box, there isn't one. So the first item is Stoats Deliciously Wholesome Porridge with super healthy chia seeds, ready in 3 minutes. Looks really nice. Tear open sachet and pour the porridge into a deep microwavable bowl. Use the sachet to measure out 160 ml of cold liquid. I probably won't do it in the microwave, I'll probably do it in a pan. So it's just your typical sachet of porridge. Then there's La Chiva freeze-dried pineapple. I love anything like this, especially freeze-dried fruit. And how funky is this packaging? Only 39 calories, 0 additives. Definitely a big fan of the packaging. I'll get this out of the way. This came in June's Sourcebox and I wasn't a big fan of it. If you want to know what I thought about it in detail, then please check out my blog, which is linked down below. I did a review of every item in the box once I tried it. So that's an item I've had before. We also got these in the June box, but a different flavour. We got a chili one last month, which was nice. It was one of my favourite snacks of the month. And this is the Love Corn Smoked Barbecue. I love anything barbecue flavoured, so definitely looking forward to trying these. I highly recommend them. Nola Almond and Vanilla quinoa based breakfast goods. So that's actually really small for breakfast. Nutritionally enhanced quinoa based breakfast goods, free from gluten, grains, dairy and refined sugar. I like almond and vanilla, so I'm guessing it's like a cereal, or you put it on your cereal with your cereal. Definitely looking forward to trying that one. Press Mighty Mango Slices, vegan, no added sugar, no nasties, 100% dried mango, perfect for snacking. Love anything like this. Definitely looking forward to trying these, and like the packaging. Sourcebox bites. It doesn't really tell you what it is, but if you look at the ingredients: chickpeas, virgin cacao butter, coconut blossom sugar, raw cacao mass, chocolate, vanilla. So I'm guessing it's like a chocolatey vanilla chickpea snack. That's going to be interesting. The last snack type item is this blueberry raspberry Gregory's Tree double fruit twist, 100% free from gluten, GM, sulfite, wheat, peanut and dairy. I don't like raspberry, but because it's mixed with blueberry it might be nice. They feel like two thin sticks that are twisted. And then the drink, I'm happy we got a drink in the mystery box, although I might not be when I see what flavour it is. Big Boss Palm toasted coconut soda made from coconut water. Toasted coconut soda made from young Thai coconut water with a touch of natural sweetener, better for you, ultra hydrating, and above all, seriously delicious. Sounds really nice. I love coconut water. So that's everything in the mystery box number 6. Really happy with the contents of this. The only thing I'm not 100% over the moon about is this. Other than that, I'm looking forward to trying everything in the box. I think for $8.95 it's like excellent value, better value than the normal box. If you want to know what I thought about this item and everything inside, then please check out my blog, which is linked down below, because I'll do a post about every item in it and what I thought of it when I've tried them. Also will be the July edition of Sauce Box as well. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification to be alerted every time I upload a video like this. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.